out the way.
Uh-oh.
Today's video, I got smoke warming up right now, and let's see what we got for today's plan. Bam! As you can see, I got Yoshi on the back of the trailer. But come on, man, look at this setup. How do you like this setup, man? Check out smoke. Tell me that's not a badass setup. I'm about to get hit with a car, but I don't care. Tell me that's not a badass setup. You know what I'm saying? Tell me that's not a badass setup. Got those fuel wheels on. Woo! Cars driving through, who cares? But anyway, I got smoke on the back of the trailer, and I got the guy let me cross the street, but I got smoke on the back of the trailer right now. As you can see, I am headed to Bauce Racing Motorcycle Shop, and we're gonna be installing some goodies on this thing today, man. It's been 2 years since I've been to the shop. The bike was tuned 2 years ago by Bauce Racing. Today I'm going up there just to get a few things done, man. We're gonna do like a little sprint air filter install, and we're gonna do a quick shift install, and maybe if we have time, maybe throw it back in the dyno and see if we can revise the tune a little bit. But yeah, we're headed to Bauce Racing, as you can see, and you know, I got about an hour drive ahead of me right now. I'm about to hop in smoke. But yeah, guys, man, I'm sorry. Like I said, work, man, life, work, being married with kid, you know what I mean, takes up a lot of time. But yeah, I'm about to head up to Bauce Racing. It's gonna take me about maybe an hour drive, like I said before, and let's see what's going on, man. I don't want to bore you guys too much, but not to like keep dwelling on the GT500, but I'm very excited to finally get that car going, man. I've been waiting for a while, so that content's coming soon, guys. But I will check you guys in a few when I get to Bauce Racing. All right, peace. What's going on, everybody, man? I'm your boy. I finally made it here at Bauce Racing. As you can see, I got the car, I got the bike unloaded already. The guys has already started working on it, and let's see the progress we got right here. Got Pablo over here. As you can see,
Quickshifter's on.
Quickshifter's on already, man. Look, see that? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Check it out. Not bad. Just gonna make a world of difference, man. So, before a lot of comments come in right now asking what Quickshifter I had installed in the Gixxer, I'm gonna let Pablo explain that to you.
It's a Dyno Jet Quickshifter.
See?
It's the same one as the Translogic.
All right, cool.
So we have the flash tune harness on it. Makes it real easy. Just zip tie this up and then.
Nice.
Unfortunately, you don't get auto blip.
All right.
Not drive by wire.
Nope. But
you know, but it'll be sweet.
A lot faster than using the clutch.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Come home with more money this time.
Exactly. We can really send it on the street. So yeah, man. I wish I got a little time lapse for you guys, but you know how that is, man. It's a lot more work trying to do a time lapse, but you see it is.
I'm just gonna pull the ECU out and then I'll throw it on the dyno.
All right, cool.
Just to check it.
Cool. And again, like I said to you guys earlier before, Bauce Racing tuned the bike 2 years ago. It's been running flawlessly, man. No complaints whatsoever. So I'll definitely leave all that information in the description down below. So if you live in the North Jersey area, man, you're looking to get some work done to your bike, definitely hit them up, man.
Mail-in ECU flashes.
Definitely. Oh, they do mail-in ECU flashes. So look at that. You ain't even got come. Mail-in ECU flashes as well. Do they got to send the ECU to you guys directly?
Yep.
All right,
yep,
cool.
They can fill out the form on the website.
All right, cool. So I'll put all that information down below, and I'll check back in a few when we strap this bad boy to the dyno, man. All right, peace. All right, guys. So it's a little loud right now. The quick shifter's in. We're about to check my tune, make sure it's all good, and I'm gonna give you guys a little glimpse. shift works when it needs to work at the right RPM. So he's just going through the gears. Horsepower from 2 years ago, maybe we can squeeze a little bit more out. Maybe one more pass, like without me being in the glass right now. Alright, I'll check back in a minute. Peace. Alright guys, I'm checking back in. I'm with Anthony, the owner operator of Bauce Racing. He's gonna go over what he just did to the bike. And maybe, I'm not sure if I can get one more pull, but you know, you guys proceed for whatever pulls I got. So Anthony's gonna explain what he just did.
So we always have updates to all of our mapping for every bike because we're constantly retuning the same bikes, you know, and stuff like that. So I baselined the bike out, you know, with the mapping that we had in it, which was, you know,
2 years ago, right?
Yeah, 2 years ago, and it was still running exactly how we tuned it 2 years ago.
Yeah. Which
is the reason why we tune in the ECU and not in the Power Commander. But anyway, we had some secondary throttle plate mapping changes that gave us, you know, 3-4 horsepower down low.
Nice.
And the result is it builds more speed on the dyno. It also makes more horsepower. So we went, you know, up just a little bit from 130.8 to 132.0.
Nice.
And it, depending on what the bike's being used for, we tune it certain ways.
Yep.
So you're not really riding this thing slow. So we actually made some changes here, and I made a different map setup so that when you hit it, it goes a little better.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
I see the numbers.
Just a little bit more, you know?
Yeah. Again, 2 years, man. This tune's been on here.
Standing strong.
Standing strong. Got Adam even came by to check everything out. Next customer right here to get his 2020 Gixxer 1000 tune, man. But
I'll be there soon.
Appreciate Anthony sharing the info. He just made some adjustments on, guys, and that's it, man. You know, we made some pulls. I got the quick shift now, so no more using that clutch when it's time to send it. You feel me? But I mean, what you think, man? This is your first time at Bauce Racing?
Bauce Racing's legit. Great guys. Definitely know their work. Pay attention to super detail. So you in the area, you want to make it, you know, get them on the phone and set up a date. I'll be here soon. Y'all check me out.
Yeah, man. So there you have it, man. So the bike made 2 years ago, like 129 point something. And literally not really much changes he did, just updated some little stuff besides the quick shift, and I'm up to 132, so it's still not bad, you feel me? So I'm gonna have fun with this bad boy, and if I'm able to get one more pull, I would try to get one more pull. If not, I got a bunch of pulls early in this video. So I hope you guys catch me in the next one. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I also will put all the Bauce Racing info in my description below, so you can contact them, and you can get your bike ECU flash. You can send it in. You don't even have to be here. You can send your ECU in, and they can reflash the ECU and tune it from there as well. So I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.